Tome. He's going to tell us what's needed to be done.
So we have empty room, floors are just smashed concrete and need some new flooring, and we need few partition walls. So toilet will be here, kitchen will be where Mike stays, and of course in toilet you should have a door, and we have one facility already in place almost, and we need bathtub and some faucets. And in that room, the first idea was to separate it in two, so to make a partition somewhere here. So that will be a bedroom, and this will be living room. So we need two walls somewhere here. So that will be entrance into a flat, and door needs replacement to fireproof door, and yeah, basically, and the rest will be just finishes, walls, ceilings, floors, and yeah.
And the walls, the existing walls, will be covered with gypsum board, gyprak?
I'm not sure that they need to be covered, but just plastering and smoothing them out.
Plastering and smoothing.
And painting. That's what we thought.
How many square meters is this area?
It's something 6 by 5 by 8 meters.
40, so
Less than 40 square meters.
400 square feet, roughly. Okay, so there would be, and the partition walls will be metal studs?
Yeah, I think it's easiest way just to make like this, the metal stud and gypsum boards on both sides.
Electrical work also?
Also, yes. Actually, we have. We need to redo it because it now gets power from electricity from different counter.
Meter, yes.
Meter, yes. So I think it needs to be changed.
Okay.